Important update for your 2022 income tax returns. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another update. Updated March 1st, 2023 on the IRS.gov website. If you are working a side hustle, part-time jobs, receiving tips, make sure you stay tuned. The Internal Revenue Service reminds taxpayers of your reporting and potential tax obligations on income from the gig economy and service industry transactions from digital assets. It states here that generally income earned from the gig economy is taxable and must be reported to the IRS on your income tax returns. The gig economy is any activity where you earn income providing on-demand work, services, or goods, such as selling goods online, driving a car for deliveries, or renting out property. Often it is through a digital platform like an app or website. Taxpayers must report income earned from gig economy on your income tax return, even if that income is from part-time, temporary, or side work paid in any form, including cash, property, goods, or digital assets. And even if it is not reported on an information return form like a Form 1099-K, 1099 miscellaneous, a W-2, or other income statement. So the IRS is stating even if you don't get a Form 1099-K, you still have to report that income. All right. You can find more information on the gig economy on the IRS.gov website. Type in the search gig economy. Also, people who work in restaurants, salons, hotels, and similar service industries often receive tips for your customer service. And the IRS is stating here that tips are usually taxable income, and it is important for you, the taxpayer, to understand the taxability on these tips and how to report them. Cash tips include those received directly from customers, electronically paid tips distributed to the employee by their employer, and tips received from other employees under any tip sharing arrangement. All cash tips must be reported to the employer, who must include them on the employee's W-2 wage and tax statement. Non-cash tips are those of value received in any other medium than cash, such as tickets, passes, or other goods or commodities a customer gives you, the employee. Non-cash tips aren't reported to the employer but must be reported on your income tax return. Wow, the IRS even wants you to pay taxes on some tickets and passes. Wow. Any tips the employee did not report to the employer must be reported separately on Form 4137, Social Security and Medicare tax on unreported tip income, to include as additional wages with your tax return. The employee must also pay the employee share of Social Security and Medicare tax owed on those tips. Wow, you cannot escape Uncle Sam. Please share with us in the comments how you are feeling about this update. All right, employees don't have to report tips in the amount of less than $20 per month per employer. For larger amounts, employees must report tips to the employer by the 10th of the month following the month the tips was received. So unless that tip was less than $20 per month, the IRS is stating they want their coins too. You need to pay taxes on that money. Make sure to share with us in the comments how you're feeling about this update. Make sure you do not get caught with delayed tax return because you did not report your side hustle, because Uncle Sam is clearly watching and hiding in the bushes. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Important update for your 2022 income tax return.